Hey guys, in this video I will show you Polkadot Bitcoin history. So let's get started the video. Polkadot is an open source blockchain platform and cryptocurrency. It provides interconnectivity and interoperability between blockchains by enabling independent chains to securely exchange message and perform transactions with each other without trust third parties. This allows for cross-chain transfer of data of assets different between different blockchains and for cross-chain dApps decentralized application to be built using the Polkadot networks. The Polkadot network has a primary blockchain named Relay Chain and many user created parallel chains called parachains. The Relay chains act as the governance layer of the network while parachains are accounting enabling independent projects to create and operate their own blockchains that live within the Polkadot interface and benefits from the security. The protocol was created by the Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood and raised over 144.3 million in its initial coin offering in October 2017. The network uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. The protocol used blind assignments of blockchain extensions. Web is derived from our book. The protocol was adopted by the Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, the developer by the Web3 Foundation, with the initial implementation by party technology. The Polkadot protocol is intended to be a scalable multi-chain technology, unlike the usual blockchain implementation created around single chain and having various degrees to generalization depending on the applications. Polkadot provides a primary chain which can host a large number of validatable and global constant data structure. Polkadot is a considered scalable by design. A project deployed on Polkadot can be substantially distributed and parallelized over a large number of parachains. Knowing that all aspects of the parachains can be conducted in parallel by the different parts of the network, the system is thus considered scalable and ex- extendable on a large scale. Polkadot is intended to provide the basic elements of the infrastructure, leaving any application related complexity to the mid-level level. Polkadot was created to connect private constituting channels, public permissionless network, oracles, and any other technology in the Web3 ecosystem not yet developed through Polkadot Relay Chain, which focus on scalability, governance of interoperability. The protocol provides access to an internet of independent blockchain that can exchange information and perform transactions with the trusted third party. In general, Polkadot seeks to solve the following problems. Interoperability. Polkadot is designed to enable application and smart contracts on one blockchain to seamlessly transact with data and assets on the chain. Scalability. Polkadot gives the ability to run survival parachains, each processing multiple transactions and parallel, which allows a network to obtain infinite scalability. Uh, it is launched in 2019, aims to gather advocates together and contribute to the Polkadot ecosystem. People joining the scheme will become a candidate. The rule of an introduction, please, where you will learn to community works showcase. contribution.